Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Monday, April 21st, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed significant weakness today. The Nasdaq 100 fell 449.79 to 17,808.30. While the Nasdaq Composite Index dropped 415.55 to 15,870.90. The technology sector declined 2.7%, marking its steepest drop. Market breadth was decisively negative. In the Nasdaq 100, decliners overwhelmed advancers 84 to 16. The Nasdaq Composite showed similar weakness with 2,573 declining stocks versus just 515 advancing. Year-to-date returns highlight sustained pressure on tech stocks. The technology sector leads declines at -20.6%, while the Nasdaq Composite is down 17.8%. The healthcare sector has fared better, down just 3.7%. Among top performers, Fidelity National Information Services rose 2.4% to 76.37, while Microchip Technology gained 2.2%. Skyworks Solutions advanced 1.4% after breaking out of a three-day consolidation period. Despite today's gains, year-to-date performance remains challenging. On Semiconductor shows the steepest decline at -44.9%. While Microchip Technology has fallen 31.2%. Fidelity National has weathered the downturn better, dropping just 5.4%. Among today's weakest performers, Super Microcomputer fell 6.3% to 29.51. Arista Networks and Paycom Software both declined 4.9%, with Paycom breaking down from a four-day consolidation pattern. Year-to-date numbers show Arista Networks down 38.8%, while Fair Isaac has declined 8.8%. Notably, Paycom Software remains slightly positive for the year, up 0.6%. Technology ETFs showed significant weakness today. Cubes, Vanguard Information Technology Index Fund, and VanEck Semiconductor ETF all declined around 2.4% to 2.7%, each marking their third consecutive down day. The leveraged 3x bullish QQQ fell 7.3%, while its inverse counterpart, 3x bearish QQQ, gained 7.3%. Returns show mounting pressure on tech ETFs. Month to date, VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads the decline at -11.2%, while 3x bullish QQQ has dropped nearly 27%. Year-to-date, the leveraged ETFs show stark contrast with 3x bearish QQQ, up 33.2%, while its bullish counterpart is down 47.1%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms led declines, falling 3.3% with 7 consecutive down days. Amazon and Microsoft each dropped over 2% with 5 straight down days. All 5 tech leaders showed very strong negative trends. Year-to-date performance shows significant declines. Amazon and Apple have fallen over 22%. Alphabet is down 21%. Meta and Microsoft have declined 17% and 14% respectively. In semiconductor stocks, Nanolabs led gains, rising 6.9%. Semi-LEDs advanced 4.4%. Microchip and Microchip Technology both broke upward from sideways consolidation, gaining over 2%. Year-to-date returns show Semi-LEDs as the standout, up 63%. However, Nanolabs has declined 48%. Diodes and Microchip are both down over 30%. Cloud computing stocks showed weakness. Box recorded its 5th consecutive down day. EPAM Systems declined for the 4th straight session. IBM and NetApp both broke downward from sideways consolidation. Year-to-date, EPAM Systems has fallen 37%. NetApp and PayPal are both down about 29%. Only IBM shows positive returns, up 7.4% this year. In AI and robotics, Nasdaq edged up 0.55% after consolidating for 4 days. Mobileye Global declined for the 7th straight session. Vicarious Surgical remained flat for 10 days before dropping today. Year-to-date performance shows broad weakness. Vicarious Surgical has fallen 59%. Mobileye is down 41%. Cognex has declined 34%, while Nasdaq shows an 18% drop. Examining AI and robotics, Thematic ETFs today, all funds showed notable declines. Nasdaq AI and robotics led the downward movement, falling 2%. AI and technology and robotics and automation declined 1.9% and 1.8% respectively, with very strong negative trends across the sector. Looking at returns, these ETFs are experiencing significant weakness. Month to date, robotics and automation has declined 9.3%, while AI and technology is down 8.7%. Year-to-date losses range from 11% to 18%, with AI and robotics showing the largest decline. In electric vehicle stocks, NIO and Li Auto managed slight gains, up 1.9% and 0.38% respectively. Both have closed higher for 2 consecutive days. Lucid fell 2.5%, breaking downward after 3 days of flat trading. Return metrics reveal mixed performance in the EV sector. XPeng shows remarkable year-to-date gains of 54%, despite being down 12% this month. BYD has gained 35% year-to-date, while Lucid has declined 23%. Quantum computing stocks showed broad weakness today. Applied Materials dropped 1.3%, marking its 3rd consecutive down day. Honeywell International declined 1.2%, while Summit Hotel Properties fell 1.5%. Return analysis shows significant declines. Summit Hotel Properties has fallen 29% month-to-date and 44% year-to-date. Archer Materials shows the steepest year-to-date decline at 53%, while Applied Materials has dropped 17%. Solar stocks showed mixed performance. Vivo Power International led gains with a 6.2% rise, while Ascent Solar Technologies added 3.5%. Jinko Solar rose 1% and is now closed higher for 6 consecutive days. Year-to-date returns show extreme volatility in solar stocks. Vivo Power International has gained 103%, despite being down 32% this month. Sunova Energy has declined 95% year-to-date, while Ascent Solar is down 55%. Technology thematic ETFs showed broad weakness today. First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor ETF led the decline, dropping 1.7% to 66.7. iShares U.S. Medical Devices ETF and ARK Innovation ETF also fell significantly. All funds are displaying very strong negative trends. Year-to-date performance metrics reveal significant challenges. First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor ETF and ARK Innovation ETF have experienced the steepest declines, down 24.3% and 21.7% respectively. Month-to-date, First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor shows the largest decline at 12.5%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.